Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma, and we represent Oklahoma City and Tulsa for investors. You know, I've been doing this for a long time, for my whole career, almost 35 years, and with people out of state and out of country, especially in the last 20 years. And we've really emphasized new construction. This is what we have done. And the reason why we do that, if I have somebody in Israel buying, have somebody in California, New York, wherever it happens to be, and they want a home in the Oklahoma City market, so it can be 1,600 miles away, 6,000 miles away. New construction gives them a peace of mind because we have warranties on it. It's never been used. The neighborhoods are consistent. It's a lot easier for me to evaluate things for you if it is new construction. And also COVID did something to us that I think is very damaging. That's starting to become undone. And that is, there was a lot of money sitting on the sidelines. People were at home, not going out to eat, not doing things, maybe getting money from the government, added on to what they have, the PPP, if you were in business, getting money you could apply for. And then all of a sudden things went nuts on existing homes. Really didn't happen in new construction, happened in existing homes where 10, 20, 30, 50, $60,000 or more were being offered over the listed price for homes. It was a shark feeding frenzy. Personally, I thought it was incredibly stupid. I thought it was a lot of bad decisions being made because the one thing I know from 35 years, if things bounce back, things go up and they go down. Sometimes these trends are very short-lived. Certainly COVID was a unique experience for all of us, especially if we survived it. And in that respect, I knew it wasn't going to last. And I knew these people were going to be in a position where, oh my God, I have no equity or I have negative equity. And that certainly is what happened. But I'm kind of getting off the point now. So we've been through this period up until today even, we've been doing a major emphasis on new construction, mainly because existing construction pricing was out of whack. I mean, I could get a new home for you for the same basic price or a little bit more than a 10, 20-year-old home. So that what made sense, but that is changing now. What is happening is we're back to a supply and demand market. More homes are on the market than ever before, back to pre-COVID levels. Interest rates are certainly higher than COVID or even before COVID. I mean, we're dealing with 7% interest rates as an average at this point, although you can buy it down. So what I'm seeing in new construction is, prices are going up because permits are going up, land costs are going up, labor is going up. But in existing homes, things are staying on the market now. Now, one of the things is we're in the middle of June and school starts in early August. So people have already really gone under contract. And with this extended inventory, I'm seeing things stay on the market. I'm seeing things reduced in price. Now, let me emphasize the fact we're not going to get into foreclosures. We're not going to get into fix and flips. Those things don't exist. You can't buy them. We're not looking at rehab. We're looking at homes primarily 10 years old, maybe a little bit older, rehab, the capital improvements, the things about the roof, the air conditioning, everything is fantastic. And that's what we're looking for. And we're starting to see some really good buys, especially close to the $200,000 price range. Now, we're not doing spreadsheets on these per se because they come in and out a lot faster than new construction does. But if you're interested in really some terrific deals, I think, on existing homes, get a hold of us. You'll see at the end of the description on this video, my email address. I'll be happy to send you examples of what's there. Be happy to talk to you, do a Zoom meeting. I think it's a good time to look at existing homes, especially as we get into, the end of June, July. We're going to see some even more bargains going there. So get on our list, contact me, set up a meeting, something that we can discover together. But I think right now, some really good positive cash flow homes are out there that are not that old.